This is a guide on color theory specifically crafted for photographers. Understanding color theory is not just about enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your images, but also about conveying emotions and storytelling through color. Firstly, let's define color in the context of light. Color in terms of light is a way our eyes perceive light waves of different lengths. The colors we see are determined by the wavelength of the light, and each color has its own unique wavelength. Now, let's talk about hue, saturation, and luminance. Three fundamental aspects of colors that every photographer should know. Hue refers to the color itself, the base pigment without any tint or shade. On the color wheel, hues are the root colors from which all other colors derive. Saturation describes the intensity or purity of a color. A fully saturated color is vivid and rich, while a less saturated color appears more washed out or gray. Manipulating saturation in photography can dramatically alter the mood and impact of your images. Luminance or brightness is the measurement of the amount of light emitted or reflected by a color. Adjusting luminance affects how light or dark a color appears, which is crucial in setting the tone and the depth of your photos. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Next, let's explore the additive and subtractive color models. Additive colors start with black and add light to create colors. This model is used in light-based devices like computers and TVs and consists of red, green, and blue. Commonly, it is known as RGB. This is why it is important to calibrate your computer monitor about every 6 months. Now, on the other hand, subtractive colors start with white and subtract light to create a color. This model is used in printing and includes cyan, magenta, yellow, and key or black, abbreviated as CMYK. Photographers need to understand these models to manage their workflow from digital to print accurately. Along with calibrating your computer monitor, frequently calibrate your printer as well. Most photo printers have a calibration tool built into them. Before CMYK and RGB, there was RYB color model used by artists featuring red, yellow, and blue as primary colors. It's a fundamental concept for understanding how traditional art mediums mix colors, which can be quite beneficial when applied to editing and adjusting photos. Ironically, many non-photography artists like painters think RYB is all there is to color theory. Moving on to complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Complementary colors such as teal and orange or red and green create high contrast and vibrant looks when used together. They are excellent for capturing the viewer's attention and creating dynamic compositions in photography. Okay, building a color palette can greatly enhance the coherence and appeal of your photographic projects. Start by choosing a set of dominant hues from an inspiring image and complement them with additional shades, tints, or analogous colors to create a balanced and harmonious look. Well, there you go. A basic yet comprehensive guide to understanding and utilizing color theory in photography. From the science of light to the artistry of building a color palette, Mastering these concepts will not only improve your technical skills, but also help you express your creative vision more effectively. Keep experimenting with colors and watch your photography transform. Take care, everyone.